Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And this is the night before London session. Just kind of taking you through my groove on how I'm particularly gonna deal with this day, deal with this London session. I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling excited about this London session. I don't know what to expect, but you know, sometimes you get that feeling, you get excited. And then my son like, yo, dad, we didn't get the workout in, so we got to get a workout in. It's around, what, 10 o'clock at night? Getting this workout in and about to just take y'all through my night/morning. Let's make this money.
Team Take Profits. The movement is real.
Team Take Profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Home workout session in. Lift that head up. Keep that head up. Keep that head up. There it is. Form, baby. Yeah. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Whew. I like to switch it up in the middle of it. These harder. Man, I just believe in staying fit. Like I was starting to get a lot of forex money, a lot of money, and I was ordering Uber Eats every day. If my son forget a meal, instead of like what I would used to do is go back, get it, bring it to him at school, I'm calling Uber Eats. Lazy. So I'm like, enough of all that. It's easy to stay lean and diet when you broke. It's more disciplined to stay lean when you got money. But I'm up for it, and I care about my health. And now I got twins. My son want to have a good time with me. I want to stay in shape to be able to get out the bed and not feel lazy and go play soccer with him, go play basketball with him. So I'm down here getting it, 10 o'clock at night. Get it, let's get it. You just a chilling, man. Hey man, you just a chilling. He just watching us working out.
Yes, sir.
You just chilling. You just chilling, huh, Mac? Come on, let's get the workout, baby. And get these push-ups in. Go in there, yup. Your back looking real nice. Listening to some vibes. Good, good, good.
Easy 20.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good so far.
Scratching that head, you starting to get a little sweaty?
Yes.
Yep, you doing good, son. I got my eyes set on GBP CAD. GBP CAD, that's the one I'm focusing on trading. I'm not trading gold right now. I'm staying away from gold. Y'all can have that. I'm not messing with gold. I'm also looking at GBP JPY. I'm looking at that pair as well. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on London. I'm telling you, watch what I got for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you these Fibonacci. A lot of people is asking me about the Fibonacci. I'm finna cover that. You will see. You will see. And then some people on my team, they focusing on GBPUSD. I feel like it's gonna be epic, bro. Bro, Elijah, bro, you staying up with me for London?
I'll try to.
You gonna stay up with me?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm telling you, I got a feeling, bro. We about to make some money, bro. Last week I didn't do so good. I took a L. I was tired and I forced it, but no big deal. My wife, if you saw my last video, my wife came back and won me about 3,000. So I'm feeling excited, man. So I can't wait to show y'all. We're gonna mark this up. We're gonna look at the charts. Hey man, I can't wait till this lockdown over with. About to start back hanging with my crew. A lot of people in Detroit actually is on my team. Hang out with them, work out with them, have some barbecue together. Actually, they can come out to my office downtown Detroit, you know we got an office space. You guys can also fly in if you want to book some training time. Go to the website right here down below on the screen. You can see it. Book it at the website, and you can come to the office, and we can trade. We can trade live London too if you just book it, and we can come to the office. So, hey, making big moves. Got big moves coming. 2020 coming. Lockdown don't mean nothing. Yeah, we still coming. Ooh, lockdown don't mean nothing. We still coming. We still coming. Making money. Life ain't all about getting money and getting paid. Life is all about time, freedom, not being a slave.
I'm drinking that 3D.
And I'ma make sure I owe no man when I hit my grave. Ooh. The Bible said I owe no man, owe no debt.
Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
All right, guys, so let's get into the trading. All right, you feel me? And all right, enough of all the working out stuff. Let's make some money. You feel me? So right now we're on Trading View. All right, so the way that I do it, because I know, a lot of people ask me, what platform am I using? I use Trading View to analyze my charts, and I use when I type in my currency pairs on Trading View, I pick Oanda. The reason, because it looks the same across all brokers. It's pretty much the closest, right? And my broker is LQDFX, and I execute and buy my buy and sell trades on MT4, and it matches up the same. All right, so that's the way I do it. All of that information, what broker I use and what platform I use, is in the description below. All right, so right now you can see on the screen GBPJPY, and then we can scroll up and see the chart. Now right on the left side of the screen is me actually entering the trade, and you can pretty much see how it went in regards to just profits. I really try not to do the screenshots because you can't fake the video. All right, you can see the actual numbers rolling. All right, and you can see all of that, and it's from my phone, so you know what I'm saying, like, boom, keep it real all the way. Now I'm coming back doing this voiceover and letting you know why I got into the trade. We're in replay mode, and I basically drew this line right here to show you my entry. All right, this is like what, a couple days later, a week later or whatever. So this is the only time I got to actually do the analysis on this trade that I took. All right, and so I'm just trying to help you guys out. And so anybody talking about that's replay, all that, yes, it's in replay, but I took the trade when I took the day of. You feel me? As you can see on the left hand side of the screen. Now look at this big. I'm starting you guys on an hour chart. Big downtrend, right? And for all of those that think my how to master or master the trend line video is fake, I mean, I don't understand how you can fake this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it happens in the market. The trend line broke. It came back and retested the trend line. Like, price came back to, what did it come back to? What area did it come back to? It came back to test the trend line break. This move is going to happen with or without you putting the trend line there. But the trend line is to help you gauge where the market is going to come back to, potentially, right? So if you want to watch that video and see more about it, then definitely check it out. I'll link it. It'll come across the screen at the top. Further on, so now I'm over here taking a trade. So I analyzed this, right? So let's go ahead and drop another trend line. All right, boom. So now that trend line breaks, and then you could take that for like maybe 100 pips, somewhere up in here. I don't know. Let's start down lower for somebody realistic taking this trade. 90 pips on the first drop, and then it consolidated back and forth. All right, but the first trend line break was where the momentum was. So now we're all the way over here. So how do I analyze this? Why did I get into this trade? Well, price came back and made a higher high right up in this area. So price slightly made a higher high, and definitely made a higher high here. So there was higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So now I see another little trend popping off. So then I mark this up. because that's another trend line break. And then on initial break, you got more pips, right? Another 100 pips. All right, 76 pips to be exact. So now I see that, but price broke the trend line. But when it came back to come back up, it never made a higher high. It just started consolidating. All right, and so I'm like, you know what? We probably exhausted. So you go back and you look at the bigger picture, pretty much from like the daily chart, when you see these candles way back over here. Even though I'm on a 60-minute chart, if you go to the daily, it'll show you all of this. So now I'm like, well, you know what? We're probably just coming back, retesting this whole bigger downtrend. And then I'm like, you know what? We're in the golden zone on the daily chart. All right. So like I said, if you guys watch my live class, I said I'm gonna show you more about the golden zone, and I'm gonna keep showing you until you master it. But so that's pretty much the daily chart. All right, right there. And from all the way back here to where price is, it's in the golden zone on the daily. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna be. Let me go down to the lower time frame. Let's go down to the 30-minute, and I see price all respecting the 50 moving average. So let's delete this, and we're underneath. Now in the perfect world, like I said, I try to be realistic. In the perfect world, we want to get it up at the top, but this is not bad. This is not bad compared to the higher time frame situation. This is not bad. So this is my entry, and I'm telling you why I got in there, because I see price underneath. I see price consolidating on the higher time frames. On the daily time frame, I saw price respecting the golden zone. And then now if you go to these lower time frames, you see the 50 moving average respected. So we're in a seller's market across the board. So I'm like, boom, I'm about to enter this. And then you can see the profits rolling or whatever. And this is pretty much the way it played out. So I'm fast forwarding so you can see how it happened. All right. And that's a beautiful entry. You know, in a perfect world, I would have wanted to be up here. But, you know, for whatever reason, I missed it. So that's fine. But now getting in down here would be a terrible entry. And so I know a lot of you are, you know, if you needed it to drop to prove to you that it's dropping, that's a problem. We got to get it before the drop happens. So, boom, I just wanted to go over that. Now, for an example, you got another trend line. You could potentially put another trend line right there. Wait for that boy to break. You feel me? Like, just, you see the power of that? Like, come on, I just showed you that. Now, yes, this is in replay, but I'm just saying the technique works. The technique works. You get in right when it closed that trend line, boom, get up in there. All right, and then you in there. So go on and take your pips. Now you wait for the retest if you want to try to catch the runner. You feel me? If you want to try to catch more pips, then you want to wait for it to confirm. But the actual initial breakout, you just want to get your pips and get up out of there. Don't play with it. All right. So boom. So now let me take this out of replay mode and see what happened overall. So this is the grand scheme of things. So it's been a minute, right? So I want to make sure I cover this video. Boom, continue dropping. So price just consolidated back again and dropped again. And you could just see how price is respecting that 50 moving average once it hit like a supply and demand zone. That's powerful stuff. So I pretty much took profit on that trade. And then I went over to GBPUSD. I took 3 trades total. I haven't took 3 trades in a long time, but I took 3 trades total. I usually just take 1 or 2, but it was really hitting that day. So my man Robert, he called out some trades, and I took his GBPNZD. These 2 came from me, and boom, it all looked good, so I took it. So let's switch over and see what GBPUSD did. London, keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming. All right, guys, so here we are on GBPUSD. All right, I don't trade this much because it's always in competition of the US dollar, but every once in a while, you know what I'm saying, you would get a good play on GBPUSD. All right, so here's the one or the trade setup that I took. Now, as you can see, this has been a big old uptrend, one of them big old uptrends, right? And you can see it going up. I put a trend line there for you. Now, you see, I usually start with the daily 4-hour. By the time I get to the hour chart, I know what I'm waiting for, right? And this was actually breaking the trend line when I got in. And you can see it here, right? It's breaking the trend line, and you can see where the profit's at. You know what I'm saying? So my entry is lining up. I'm not trying to fool you guys. The entry where I have this yellow line, let me go ahead and make that entry so we won't get twisted what the yellow line is. Boom, it says entry right here. It's matching up. 1.25851 is where I actually took the live trade. All right, so it was breaking the trend line. So I'm kind of giving you a glimpse of how this all happens, right? And big uptrend. So it basically was been going up forever, right? GBP been gaining strength. US dollar been, you know, losing, gaining a lot of weakness, and then basically kind of consolidated a little bit, came down, but went right back up. All right. So I saw that, and I'm like, well, shoot, man, this thing been going up forever. But you go back and see the bigger picture. Always go back to the bigger picture. All right, same situations as the last trade. Look, big old downtrend. This is just pulling back. Just pull back for the bigger picture. All right. So, boom, we got the little trend line, and price is pulling back pretty much to the golden zone area for the, like, pretty much the daily, probably the weekly at this point. But I saw that. I recognize it. They always look at the bigger picture. All right. So my thought process is this. It's breaking the trend line. It's above the 50 moving average on the hour chart. Okay. So where I got in at, it was pretty far from the 50 moving average. So from my entry to the 50 moving average was 27 pips on a 1 hour chart. All right. So if anything, you either gonna wait and see what happens at the 50, or you're gonna have a reason to get in and take profit at the 50 to reassess, or simply move your stop loss into profit and just wait and see what happens. It might drop and it may stop you out in profit. You know what I'm saying? Either or you could just take the profit. So I usually just take profit. So now let's see what the entry time frames look like. Let me take you on the 30. Here's the 30. Trend line is breaking, right? I'm getting in as it's breaking. All right, you can see my entry, yellow line, and it's underneath the 50. So I know for my little income-based profit trade that I can reach my goal. So at this point, I'm up 15 pips. All right, 15 pips. When you got a $200,000 account, 15 pips is pretty good. 15 pips is pretty much, I mean, it's easy money at this point. You know, when you first starting out with $1,000, you know, $500 and so forth, you know, 15 pips, you want 50 pips, because you know what I'm saying, you have a smaller account, and 15 pips won't really make a lot of people a lot of money, you know. But when you finally, you know, endure all of that, you know, and build your account, get it bigger and bigger over time, the 15 pips can really give you a lot of money. It all depends on the lot size. So I have a $200 account, and I'm taking I have a $200,000 account, and I'm taking a $200 lot size. So it's all within the account size. You know, if I had a $1,000 account, I would take a dollar lot size. If I had a $20,000 account, I would take a $20 lot size. All right. Now I have a $200,000 account. I'm taking a $200 lot size. So you can see, as price was breaking above the 50, every time it pulled back, yes, it was hitting that trend line that we have, but it was also above the 50. These are ways that you can keep moving up the stop loss and trail it. You see, it is not breaking the 50. Forget about the trend line. It's not breaking the 50. So as it bounces and bounces above the 50, bounces off of it and continue going up, this is a way to trail a stop loss. You just keep moving it up, gauging it from the 50. Once it breaks the 50, boom, take the profit. You pretty much getting stopped out at that point. Perfect. And so so that's the 30-minute, and you can see how it's breaking it now, and even giving a retest right on the 50. I mean, you don't believe it? I mean, I don't care if anybody don't believe it. It's proven to be true. Just slap the 50 moving average on your chart and then follow my rules to my video. All right, follow the rules and you'll be in profit. You'll be on the right side of the trade more times than not. All of these people talking about you can't be profitable in forex, man, they just trying to hate on people. They trying to hate on us just to build themselves a name. That's all they doing. I don't care nothing about proving nothing to none of these folks. They ain't nobody. All right, they trying to build themselves a name. I really don't care. I don't have any time for those people. All right, I'm out here trying to change lives, and you out here trying to spit venom on people's names. Go help somebody. Quit worrying about what other people doing. Go help somebody. If you think that I'm hurting people, if these haters think that I'm hurting people, then go help them. Go help them, because you know what? I got people scamming using my name on social media, on Instagram. Don't fall for those people antics. All right, I'm not sending no money. I'm not requesting no money through Bitcoin. Okay, these people are hurting the community. Well, guess what I'm doing? I'm not talking about this person and that person. I'm not hating on what this person doing, hating on what that. I'm trying to make the difference that I want to see. So I'm out trying to help people to avoid being scammed. You guys are wasting time talking about what I'm doing, and I'm actually giving the game live and in videos. All right, and you guys wasting time talking about me, and you're not even helping nobody. Man, cut it out, man. So anyways, here's the 15-minute chart breaking the 50. All right, if you follow the rules to my 50 moving average video, you're going to be on the right side of the trade more times than not. Is anything 100%? No, it's not 100% in the stock market. Nothing is 100%. We don't move the market. We're just trying to participate in the big movements. I'm trying to help you follow those big movements. I'm trying to help you see how they're evolving and developing right in front of your face. I'm trying to give you ways to see it. You feel me? And a lot of you are taking notes and actually seeing this. This is like art. This is like art now. You know what I'm saying? I see this a different way. I don't see just candles going up and down and all that. I see art. I see it a different way, man. So this is the GBPUSD trade. You see the profits over there. That's pretty much what I made over there. I did take GBPNZD, but I don't want to make this video too long. And hopefully you guys are finding value from the videos. I like to give a lot of knowledgeable content throughout the week, you know, sometimes on a weekend, and then I vlog on the weekends, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully you enjoy this video. Hopefully you having a great Sunday. All right, the quarantine and the lockdown has been extended, all right, till what, May 15th, unfortunately. But we still, so I'm gonna ramp up the videos, and we still gonna get this knowledge. We still gonna get this money. All right, forex can definitely change your life. Don't be listening to these people talking about you can't make money. You can't make money following them. How about that? What? I'm actually trying to give you the game. As soon as my twins can sleep all night through the night, we're gonna step up live trading. And that's one thing they can't say nothing. Why anybody that's hating on me, why they can't say nothing about the live trades? They always talking about, is he talking about this? Is he showing that? Is he doing this? I'm live trading. I'm giving you live trades. Go check my live trade playlist. All right? Quit worrying about what's in another man's pocket and peep the game that is given. If you can't do that, you never had any good intentions in the first place. All right, guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.